If you are still using basic laser levels on your job site, you might be making one of the biggest mistakes in your workflow. Because in modern construction, precision is no longer optional, it's expected. And the difference between a professional finish and a poor result often comes down to one thing: alignment. A slightly off wall, a misaligned tile, a ceiling that's not perfectly level. At first, these mistakes seem small, but once the job is complete, they become obvious. And fixing them, that's where things get expensive. That's why professional contractors don't rely on guesswork anymore. They rely on tools built for precision, speed, and consistency. And today, we're testing a laser level that claims to deliver exactly that. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is focused on real construction tools, job site testing, and honest reviews. We don't just talk about specs, we focus on real performance, the kind that actually matters on site. Because the right tool doesn't just make your work easier, it makes it faster, cleaner, and more accurate. And today, we're taking a deep dive into the Stabila LAX 600G. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe. If you're serious about construction tools, contractor gear, and job site efficiency, this channel is built for you. We bring real testing, real insights, and tools that actually improve your workflow. Now let's talk about real performance. The first thing you notice about the Stabila LAX 600G is its build quality. This is not a lightweight consumer tool. This is designed for professional environments. The housing feels solid, durable, and capable of handling daily job site conditions. And that's critical, because tools on a job site don't live in perfect conditions. They deal with dust, movement, impact, and constant use. And this tool is clearly built for that reality. Now let's talk about the laser itself. The LAX 600G uses green laser technology, and this is where things start to get interesting. Green lasers are significantly brighter than traditional red lasers. That means better visibility, and better visibility means faster work. You don't have to constantly adjust lighting conditions. You don't have to struggle to see the line. You just place the tool and start working. Now let's move into accuracy, because at the end of the day, nothing matters more than accuracy. The laser lines produced by this tool are sharp, stable, and consistent. This allows you to maintain alignment across walls, ceilings, and floors without second-guessing your measurements. And when you remove doubt from your workflow, you increase speed and confidence. Another important feature is self-leveling. Once placed, the tool automatically adjusts to find the correct level. This eliminates manual errors, and more importantly, it saves time. Because on a job site, time is money. Now let's talk about real applications. This is where the tool truly proves its value. For tile installation, the laser provides perfectly straight reference lines. For wall layout, it ensures accurate alignment. For ceiling work, it helps maintain level consistency across large areas. This is not just a tool, it's a workflow upgrade. Now let's move into real-world performance. Imagine you're working on a full interior renovation project. You have multiple tasks happening at the same time: framing, electrical layout, and tile preparation. In this type of environment, coordination is everything. Without a reliable reference point, every team member is working independently, and that's where mistakes start to happen. But when you introduce a tool like the Stabila LAX 600G, everything changes. The laser lines create a shared visual reference across the entire workspace. Now every worker is aligned to the same guide. This eliminates confusion, it reduces communication errors, and most importantly, it keeps the entire project consistent. Speed is one of the biggest advantages of using a professional laser level. Traditional methods require constant measuring and rechecking, but with this tool, once it's set up, you can move continuously without stopping. That alone can save hours on a single project, and over multiple projects, that's a massive productivity boost. Let's talk about detail work, because this is where most tools fail. Fine alignment tasks require extreme accuracy, and the LAX 600G performs exceptionally well in these situations. The laser lines are thin, sharp, and clearly defined. This allows for precise placement of materials without guesswork.
Unlike basic laser levels, this tool provides multiple reference lines. Horizontal and vertical lines work together to create a full layout system. This allows you to handle complex alignment tasks with ease. Instead of switching tools or repositioning constantly, you have everything in one setup. From a contractor's perspective, reliability is everything. You need tools that work every single day without failure. And that's where this tool builds trust. Once you start using it, it becomes part of your workflow. Not just a tool, but a standard. Let's go deeper into tile work. Tile alignment is one of the most visible parts of any project. Even a small mistake is immediately noticeable. With the LAX 600G, the laser line acts as a permanent guide. Every tile follows that line. This results in perfectly straight, professional finishes. For wall framing, alignment is critical. If the base structure is off, everything else will follow that error. The vertical laser line ensures perfect alignment from floor to ceiling. This improves both structural accuracy and visual quality. Ceiling work is often difficult because of height and visibility, but with a horizontal laser line, you get a constant level reference. This makes installation faster and more precise. For electricians, alignment matters just as much. Switches, outlets, and fixtures need to be perfectly aligned. The laser provides a clean reference line for consistent placement. Over time, tool reliability becomes more important than features. A tool that works consistently is more valuable than one with extra functions. And this is where the LAX 600 stands out. It delivers consistent performance over long periods.
Every professional tool comes with a learning curve, but this one is relatively easy to understand. Within a short time, users become comfortable with its operation, and once mastered, it significantly improves efficiency. There's a clear difference between DIY tools and professional tools. DIY tools are built for occasional use. Professional tools are built for daily performance, and the LAX 600G clearly falls into the professional category. Let's talk about value. Yes, this tool may cost more than entry-level options, but the real question is, what does it save you? Time, accuracy, rework. In the long run, it pays for itself. Who should buy this? This tool is ideal for contractors, builders, interior specialists, tile installers. If your work depends on precision, this tool makes a difference. At the end of the day, the LAX 600G is not just about features. It's about performance. It's about reliability. And it's about delivering professional results consistently. If you're serious about your work, this is the kind of tool that upgrades your entire workflow. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe because we bring real tools, real testing, and real results.